Hey there, good morning. Welcome to the JeepSolid garage. This is my daughter Sasha.
Hello.
And this is her 1997 Jeep Cherokee, and it needs new headlights. So we're going to take you through the process of how to install new headlights on this. It's a really simple process. Sasha's going to be doing all the work, so that'll be fun. I'm going to be sitting back, drinking my coffee. So yeah, Sasha's been driving solely and the headlights are out. It's kind of a funny thing. One of the headlights, the low beam's out, the other headlight, the high beam is out, so she can have one or the other. So we've got some new Sylvania Extra Vision Brighter Light headlights here. Yes, we're not going with like an LED or something because honestly, we just want the headlights to work, right? Would you like to be able to see at night?
Yes, that would be nice.
So here you go, Phillips screwdriver. Now, the first thing we gotta do is this plastic bezel comes off. There should be two screws right at the top. Take both of those out. Oh, you got it out. That came out easy. All right, so now we'll just set that off to the side. And now the next thing, there should be four of those screws. 1, 2, 3, 4 to take this little metal band off on the outside. These little magnetic holders are awesome for holding all your little screws and stuff. So yeah, it's those bottom two and these top two on each side to take this metal band off on the outside. Yeah, this is Sasha's 97 Cherokee Country. We got it used, obviously. It needed a little bit of work. We've done quite a few things to it. We just finished up water pump because the water pump was leaking. We did new battery cables. Just getting it all tip-top shape for her. It's gonna be her first vehicle, so she's excited about that. How do you like working on cars?
It's really fun.
Yeah?
Good stuff to know.
Yeah, good stuff to know. Oh yeah, she did oil change. She's learned all kinds of stuff, which is just great. She, at her age, knows more than I did at the same age. I was a car novice, very ignorant, until I started teaching myself. Once that last screw comes out, that whole thing will slide out, and there's a little plug on the back of the light. It's fighting with you. There it is. Don't let the light fall. Good job. Okay, now go ahead and pull that light out, and there's a plug on the back.
Oh, there's dusty.
Yep, it's dusty. Dusty, dirty. So there should be a little, go ahead, we'll pull out a little bit farther so you can see it better. Nope, that's it, okay. Yeah, don't yank on it. So there should be little tabs on the side that you have to like push in to release that. Well, you got them kind of released. Now grab onto the plug and pull it out. There you go, new headlight. So now installation is just honestly the opposite. So
Just plug it in?
just plug it in. Make sure those tabs on each side are kind of snapped down tightly and everything is snug back together, and we'll start putting the bezels back on. There you go. Yep, that'll work. Looks good. Go ahead and turn them off and we'll finish installing it. We just had to double check the tabs on this were so much longer than our old factory ones here. These little prongs that the connection went on, our new ones here are much longer, but it totally works. So let's put the bezel back on. Let's see what people are up to here. Oh, Rock Solid doing this. Let her figure it out, Dad. Yeah. So this is headlight number 1. Headlight number 2 will be a lot easier, right?
Yes.
Quicker and easier?
Mm-hmm. Because I know what I'm doing now.
You know what you're doing. You get all those on there tight?
I think so.
And those 4 screws that we took out to take that silver bezel off of the light itself. So those 4 just remove the bezel. There's other screws, I think they're black, back behind it, that actually adjust the tilt of and angle of your light. You don't want to mess with those. Alright, let's bust out the other side real quick. Sully's still winking at us. One side down, one to go. One thing Sasha just mentioned, which I didn't even tell her, but she just kind of figured out. She said she gets all the screws, all 4 of them in place before she goes around and tightens them down. And that's just a really good habit on a lot of different projects. You want to get a lot of your nuts and bolts and screws in place before you start tightening things down, because it just helps things line up a lot better. So good job, Sasha. All right, let's give it a try. Yay! You've got headlights.
Yay!
Good job. Excited?
Good work.
Boom. Good job, Sasha. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate your support.
It was really fun and easy.
There you go. If this helped you out, leave a comment down below. Check out my next video right up here. Have a good day.
Buy his merch. Always gotta do your promo.
Look at that cool shirt. Oh, wait, I was supposed to that one.
Oh.
We totally missed.